Students, I Neelam here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 12, that is its simple interest. I have taken question number 7 of exercise 12.1. So question is here, find a time after which the simple interest on a sum of money will be double of the sum at the rate of 10% per annum. Here you are given simple interest on a sum of money that is double of the sum. We don't know what is the sum. Let that sum P will be is equal to X. So simple interest that is given ki double of the sum. Double of the sum means double of the principal. So that is 2 into X, twice of X, twice of the sum, that is 2x. Rate of interest, it is 10% per annum. It is also given to you in the question. So you are asked to find out the time. So time you are going to find. As you know the formula for simple interest, that is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So substitute the given values of here. Simple interest, it was double of the sum, 2x, that is equal to P. In place of P we have assumed let the sum be X. It is X. Rate of interest, it is given 10%, and T, that is you are going to find, then upon 100. So you are going to find T. So this 100 will be here cross multiplied with 2x into 100, and x into 10 will be divided here. So you will get time. After simplification, cut x with x, simplify x with x, cut 1 0 with 1 0, and you will be left with 2 into 10. 2 into 10 means 20. So time is 20 years. Time is 20 years. So we can say कि simple interest on a sum of money will be double of the sum at the rate of interest 10% per annum after how many years? After 20 years. After 20 years. Okay. Then 8th question is, at what rate of interest will the simple interest be half of the principal in 5 years? Here you are asked to find out the rate of interest. R, capital R, you are going to find. And you are given simple interest will be half of the principal. So, in solution, you will write, given कि simple interest will be half of the principal, that is simple interest is equal to half of P, and time it is given, that is 5 years. So simple interest, write that formula of simple interest, that is equal to P into R into T divided by 100, and substitute the given values of simple interest. In place of simple interest, write half of P, that is equal to P for principal, R you are going to get, and time is given in here 5 years upon 100, and you are going to get rate of interest. Then rate of interest is equal to here P into 100 divided by 2 into P into 5. Means here you are going to find R na. So this 100 will be cross multiplied with P P into 100 and upon 2 it is already there, and principal here will be divided and into 5. Principal and what are you given? Time 5 years. So after simplification, simplify P with P, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 0 ja 0, means 5 20 ja 100. Then simplify 2 and 20, 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja 20. So you are left with here 10%. It is 10%. So rate of interest will be is equal to 10% per annum. It will be 10% per annum. Then I will teach you example number 5 here of exercise here 12.1. So here the question is here, a certain sum of money at simple interest rate amounts to rupees 1500 in 10 years and to rupees 1725 in 13 years. Find the sum and rate of interest. Okay, I am teaching you this example 5 and you will do question number 9 accordingly based on this example number 5. So here amount after 10 years it is rupees 1500 and amount after 13 years it is rupees 1725. So interest for 3 years will be how much? We will subtract 1500 from 1725. You will get the difference rupees 225. So interest for 1 year. So interest for 1 year will be here interest for 3 years, that is a difference of 1725 and 1500. It is rupees 225. So interest for 1 year will be, you will divide the rate here interest by 3 and you will get interest for 1 year, that is rupees 75. Now amount is equal to principal plus interest. So amount is, what was the amount in starting? It was 1500, that is equal to P plus interest for 10 years. Okay, interest for 10 years is equal to P plus 10 into 75, because we are getting interest here for 10 years. It is given in the question. So per year interest it is rupees 75. So interest for 10 year will be 10 multiplied by 75. So P plus rupees how much? 10 into 75, it is rupees 750. That is equal to simple interest, it is 1500. So you will get principal is equal to 1500 minus 750, that is rupees 750. Okay, this is the principal we have got. Now rate of interest will be is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T, that is equal to 75 into 100 divided by 750 into 1 because we have got the sum P and rate of interest. So P is with us, simple interest is with us for 1 year. That is 75 into 100 divided by 750 into 1. T time is for 1 year. That is rate of interest will be 10% per year. So the principal is rupees 750 and rate of interest is rupees 10%. So similarly you will do question number 9 here. A sum of money amounts to rupees 52,080 in 2 years and to rupees 77,280 in 7 years at simple interest. Find the sum and rate of interest, percentage of interest. Okay, similarly you will solve this question number 9 according to example number 5. Okay, and you will complete exercise here 12.1 Here question number 9 to 14. Okay, this is your work. You will complete question number 9 to 14. Okay, so stay alert, stay healthy, and mask yourself. Take proper distance from each other and protect yourself, your family, and others also. Thank you.